Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am super excited because this is going to be my second indie brand spotlight video. So I did my first one, I did it on Range Beauty. I actually have that foundation on today. I love that video, so if you have not seen that video, I'll link it in the description box. But today I'm doing the second indie brand spotlight video, and we are doing it on JD Glow Cosmetics. And so I happened to start following them on Instagram. I actually found out that they're Black owned. I finally put in an order. I've actually been having these shadows for quite a few weeks. It's just taken me a little bit to film this video. I ordered 4 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter. We're going to play with them today. I've actually only used 1 of the eyeshadows, so the other 3 eyeshadows are going to be like completely new to me. I've tried the highlighter once, so it's going to be a little bit of a newer thing as well. But first, y'all know how we did in our last indie brand spotlight. I kind of read a little bit more about the company. So I am on the JD Glow Cosmetics website, which is jdglowcosmetics.com. So it says JD Glow Cosmetics is a new and up-and-coming cosmetics company started in 2015, created by a best friend duo, Jennifer and Deandra. We are located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Our cosmetic brand caters to ladies and gents of all ages, as well as all ethnicities. We aim to create high-end quality cosmetics at low prices. Our goal is to expand and continue to cater to your cosmetics needs forever. We love your input and ideas. We encourage your participation in helping us create what you want and need. Our brand is centered on high quality glowing products, metallic/foil products, as well as high pigmented products. JD Glow's original exclusive formula is made in the USA. Our products are not tested on animals. I am so excited to try the stuff I got, but just since I'm on the website, I want to show you guys what they offer. So they offer HD crystals, gel liners. They have 3 different finishes of the gel liners. They have eyeshadows, of course. They have 4 different finishes of the eyeshadows. They have glitter tubes, glitter pots. They have highlighters, liquid illuminators. They have some palettes. I think their palettes are just like the empty ones, if I'm not mistaken. Lip gloss, liquid lipstick. You can purchase gift cards, and they also have a miscellaneous slot. As you can see, they do have a lot of stuff on their website. So before I even get into showing you guys the shadows that I got, let's go ahead and prime our eyelids. So I'm going to be using the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I am trying to use this up, so that is why I'm using it. Usually I just use concealer. So now let's finally get into the good part of this video, the exciting part, which is actually showing you guys what I got and playing with the products. So like I mentioned earlier, I got 4 of their eyeshadows. Let's start with the only matte shadow that I got. So the matte shadow that I have is called Victor, and for some reason I no longer see this shade on their site, so I don't know if it was out of stock and they're kind of restocking it, or if it's like discontinued. Hopefully they bring it back. And you guys can see how big these pans are. I'm gonna actually show you a ColourPop single shadow just to show you the difference in the size. So the JD Glow shadows are 2.7 gigs. The ColourPop ones are 1.5 gigs. So it's quite a difference in how big the shades are. So you can see the size difference here. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. You are getting a bigger size pan as well, which is really great. So once again, this is my only matte shade, and this is the shade Victor, and it's a really pretty yellow color. The next shade I have is called Watermark. This is one of their Galaxy Collection shadows, and it's this really pretty deep sea blue color. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this color is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to play. The next shade I have here is this really cool green color. This is called Martini, and this is the Shimmer Collection shadow. So I tried to get different finishes to try out, so that's why every shadow is like a different finish, and it's this really pretty green color. I saw this swatched on their Instagram, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick this one up. So this one looks really gorgeous. The last shade that I have is called Deep Bronze, and this is in the Medallion collection, and I don't own a single shadow copper shade, so I really wanted to make sure I got one, and this one looks so gorgeous. And then the highlighter that I got, it comes like this, Really cute packaging. It's a gold. This is in the shade Chaos, and this is like a duochrome highlighter, but it has like that reflex of pink in it, and it's just really gorgeous. Once again, I saw this swatched on their Instagram, and I was like, yep, get in this one as well. So those are the items that I got to play with in this video. I'm planning on using all of the colors of the eyeshadows on my eyes, so we'll see how this goes. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, I'm going to start out with that yellow shade called Victor, which is the only matte shade that I have, and I'm going to take that on a Sigma little blending brush, and we're going to put this into the crease. I actually used this in my last makeup video, my mellow yellow tutorial, if you watched that one. I already know how this shadow performs since this is the only shadow that I have used, and I really like it. It's way more pigmented than a lot of yellow shades that I've tried before. So that's what we have in the crease. So now I'm going to take that deep bronze shade, and I am going to put that shade all over my eyelid, and I'm just using another Sigma large shader brush like this. So I've never used the rest of these shadows before. Look how much pigment came out in that one sweep. Whoa. That is gorgeous, you guys. I love this color. This shadow is so pigmented. So far, this is my fave, and I know I have 2 more shadows to try, but this one is just so freaking gorgeous. I love this color. Okay, so there we have that. So what I'm gonna do is just go back to that brush we used in the crease, put it back into that yellow, and just kind of blend that yellow up a little bit, because we kind of lost the yellow a little bit. So that yellow blended in with this bronze shade, really cool. And I actually really like this color combination. Like, I'm gonna have to do this more often. So now we have like the 2 brightest shades left. We have the green color and the blue color. So I know I'm gonna put one as like a wing liner and one underneath my eyes, but I just don't know which one I want to do. So we're gonna do the green shade called Martini. We're gonna put that kind of like as a wing liner and put the blue shade called Watermark underneath. So let's get an angled brush, and I'm gonna take that shade Martini, which is the green shade, and I'm gonna try and do a wing liner. I am not the best, but we're gonna see, okay? That looks really cool, you guys. I really like that. So now let's try and match the other eye like this. Okay, you guys, I really like what that green added to the eye. I feel like it's so pretty. I'm literally just winging all of this stuff. The shades are performing really good. I'm trying to hold back on my commentary until like the end of this video, but yeah, the shades are popping. So now we're gonna put that blue shade called Watermark under in my lower lash line. Okay, so moving on to the highlighter. Like I said, this is in the shade Chaos, and it's like a really pretty duochrome shade. So I've tried this once before, and it was a little bit powdery. I'm just using my Morphe M501 brush. I'm gonna dip in here, tap off the excess, and then start here. So I'm taking small doses since I know it's a little bit more powdery. And I don't know if you can see, like, instantly has that pink reflect. It has these like chunky glitters that I don't know if I actually really like, but it's a really pretty highlight. So here is the highlight. I actually really like the color. So now that we've tried the shadows and the highlighter, I'm now gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So I'm gonna put on mascara and do me a lip color, and then I'll be back and I'm gonna give you guys like my final thoughts and all of that kind of stuff. So my full face is done. What do you guys think of the look? I think this look is fire. I actually really like this look, really like how this came out. So let's talk about a little bit about the products themselves. So I'm going to start off with the highlighter. So once again, I love the packaging of this. Really cool. So I really do like this highlighter. It's a little bit more like chunky, glittery for my personal liking. I do like this. I would recommend it. The only thing I would change is how I apply it. So from now on, I'm strictly going to apply this with some kind of makeup sponge rather than a makeup brush, because when I use my Morphe M501 brush, the brush I always use for my highlighter, it just put way too much glitter on my face, and then I kind of had to go over it and kind of blend it out with the beauty blender. This is such a pretty color, so pretty. This retails for $16.50 on their website. This shade looks amazing in the sun, you guys. So yeah, I like this highlighter. I definitely would recommend it. I just would recommend applying it with a beauty sponge just so you can get a more precise application. It won't get as much chunky glitter. So highlighter is a yes for me. So let's talk about the shadows. The shadows down here were my favorite parts of this video, obviously. So I feel like JD Glow are pretty much known for their shadows, and I literally love all of these shadows, from the matte to the shimmer to the metallic to the galaxy. These are so pretty, you guys. These are so freaking soft, you guys, as well. They all retail for $7.50, but they do also do some really pretty cool duochrome shades. I believe those are a little bit more, but all of the ones that I own currently are all $7.50. I love these shadows. I think that they're so pigmented. Like I said, they work really well with the other shadows. Had no trouble blending it out. I love the way this look came out, like these colors. So all in all, just kind of condensing my thoughts, I love everything that I tried. I would definitely recommend them. So excited I finally got around to filming this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I'll have the JD Glow website down below, as well as their Instagram and all of that kind of stuff. All of the shades that I tried in this video will be down below in case you want to know specific shades that I put on. Everything will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Please also think about following me over on my Instagram. I would love to have you over there. So until my next one, I'll see you guys later, okay? Peace.